So you can hear this noise, which is really just floppiness in here. And you can see if I just push his chin up, it's something that RT showed me. It elongates that neck, and so that floppiness isn't something he has to battle against anymore. So if you hear that noise, I always tell people, position him until the noise goes away. So if I pull it away, you'll hear it again. And a lot of times, if I can, oops, hold my phone here, I put it down 1 second. A lot of times, if his head is tilted back just the right way, I use this little roller, and that kind of does the same sniffing, they call it the sniffing position. It kind of does that same fix. And now he's breathing silently. Just needs the head to be tilted up and back a bit, and he's good.